Hey, what's up guys? Today's video I'm going to show you how you can get my Unidays student discount. So first of all, what you have to do is open your browser and type in my Unidays student discount, and you will see student discounts, free and exclusive discounts. So go ahead and click onto that link. As you do that, you will get to a page where it will ask you to log in or create a Unidays ID. So all you have to do is type in your email address that is provided by your university itself. And once done, all you have to do is select agree and continue or select login. And as you do that, it says once you're logged into your account, you will have to browse brands. And at the specific brands that you would like to get discount on, select and click activate promotion to get a discount code for online shopping. And you will also need to show your digital ID for in-store. So guys, this is how easy it is. Thank you for watching.